Yeah, now we're going to start a square hard video creation, and we're going to be using a software called Square Hard Wizard, Video Nexa Square Hard Wizard. So this app is available on a Video Nexa app sub platform. You can use it. How you get access to it? Don't worry, I'll break down everything. I promise you a backdoor access to all this software. I break it, but the truth is this: it's a premium software. Um, you need to order for it to get access. Now, how to get access? Once you order for it, you got the access, the details, your login detail, your username and password will be mailed to you, will be sent to you. So you keep it safe and use it, and you log in. It's a cloud-based software. You are not downloading anything. Don't worry. And even if you have a virtual assistant working for you that is based outside of far away from you, you can always give them access to help you do what you want to do. And after that, you change your software to make sure they don't take over your account from you. And if you are the only one using it, fine, that is okay, that's fantastic, that's advantage. If you want your staff to use it and create something for you, they don't need to come to your, what do you call it, your use your system or whatever. You are not downloading, you are not installing it. The only thing you're going to be downloading here is the video. When you are done, you render the video, you're going to be using it. Square Hard video is the love of Instagram and Facebook has now. They are very good on mobile, and then Facebook deliver them more at reduced cost. So you need to be using this to make your video ads. Yes, you're going to use your video, create ad for your stuff. So we're going to look. So I already have my own username and password, so I'm going to put it here now and log in. Yeah. Yeah, that's my account, that's my own account, that's my own access. Let me quickly walk you through the area now. If you want to log out, you can log out from here, you can log out from here. This is setting, a place for setting. You can from setting, you have your details here, then you can click on edit. The same thing from here, it's going to take here. Then you can change your password. Yeah, just put your password, repeat it, and then click save. Then your password will be changed. If you have to send us a mail, you can use it, but mostly if you want to send us support, you need support, just send mail to support at videonexa.com, or you can get in touch with our with a WhatsApp number that I'm going to be sharing with you if you need any support. This is a project, it's a home for all. This is where all the project you have done, all the video you have created will be. Yes, but this home is when you are going to learn. Is filled with all the templates that is available. I think the template available here is moved to up to 2 pages, pages. So you can you can use it anytime. Now let's create an ad. Let's say for our e-commerce website, we want to create ads. So I'm in page 2 of this, and I'm in love with this template already. So I'll click it. Now you can go through some of this ad, but let's quickly walk through this and see how it does. Now I click on it. Before you use any of this ad, you want to have idea of what they had. For example, let me play this. Yeah. The network seems to be slow. That's why it's also my network here is slow. Ordinarily, it's supposed to play and play and play and play and just run through. So this is the template is to promote back, but definitely for sure you can definitely change this with whatever you are selling and change your stuff. So if you like it, we'll come back to this. Let's have a look at this video ads and this one. Then from here, I mean this template. No matter what is template for, this template for those who do dental stuff, but definitely you can use it for something else. and this is 10 seconds, and fast you get your message out there, and then you can use these. So any of the video you can go through them. There are many at the other page there. Anyone you want to use, you can take advantage of it. This is a simple ad. You are not using camera. You're not going to hire someone to do this for you, and you get your message out there. And okay, let me go back to this page and check other ones. Now, irrespective of the color, you can always alter your color and do stuff. Let's have a look at these. Let's have a look at this. See. Can you see? Can you see? That's it. So that's how you can play around of this and watch. So the one you love, you just choose it. You just choose it. Yeah. Which one should we choose? I've used a couple of it. Let's go back to this way. That one with bag. I think I love it. I want to use it. You can use any one you like. Now this is was template for bag, but definitely you can use it back for anything. So once you've seen the one you want to use, just click create video. If you don't like your clothes, that's 5 scenes. So but before you do this, make sure your marketing message is ready. Maybe your hard copy, the message you want to share. I will just be thinking through now, because this is for practically this is for learning purpose. So I'm not really creating a live ads. Now if I want to create a live, this is what I do. I make sure I have an idea of the type of images I want to use. My what do you call it, my logo is going to be your pictures of my product and everything, and then my message, the offer I have. So let's assume I'm giving out discount. This is going to be a best stuff for me to template to use for me. So you click create. So the app will now adopt the one you've chosen and help you model your video ad that you want to create. Now this is our editor. You can see the Square Video has this, where you edit, you add color to it, you add music, then you finish, then you render, you get it downloaded. Let's do it one by one, and let's have a look at this. Let's look at women pause on discount. So okay, that is the headline for that ads. Okay, I'm not doing let me look at what I want to do, what I want to promote. I'm not promoting bags. I want to promote something like okay, let's go. I will think of what to do now. Let me go and search for something here. Now here I want to change the image at the background there, so I'm going to look for image that I want to use here. Now if you have your image of your product, then you browse and upload. We'll still come to that one, but I want to quickly search for something. Yes, let me see if I can get something like herbal tea here. Let me see. I think okay, seems the network is kind of slow. I don't know. Let me see if we can get one. I don't want to waste much of time, like oh, I can't get any. Okay, Chinese tea. Okay, let me search for Chinese tea. Okay, let me search for a laptop. Laptop. I think okay. Okay. Amazing. Let me see the one I can use. I want to promote my laptop. I sell laptop. Just look for any cool laptop I can use here. For the purpose of this class, I'm still trying to search for which one should I use here. Okay, let me pick this. Okay, let me keep this. Square hats. Let me now, because you are doing square hat, I would advise you to crop your image because your image are for different purposes, so you are going to use it for different purposes. Okay, it's okay. That's just what I need. Okay, I can even cut out the T. Let me see. or I can get this up. Doesn't matter. Is what it. If it's your product, then you need to get the image of your product ready. So that's where you're going to be using it. Yes. So now, for now, this ad I want to create, I'm going to be using to promote a laptop. Yeah. Now this image is going to remain. Yes. Let's say super laptop. That's the title. You need to give your ads a name so that you can identify it. You can identify it in your projects, so you know which ad is this. Yes, laptop. Let me say, I can just say it. I want to follow it. Amazing laptop on this kind. Okay, let me say amazing laptop, or I can follow what they're doing here. What they have, the amazing laptop. Okay, amazing. I love to use the word amazing. Amazing laptop. Now I'm just going to be putting some messages here. If I'm to put out my marketing, I can say okay, 50% discount. Yeah, so you see what is here. I'm trying to model my own towards what I want. www, let me put my website there. Let's say video nexa. That's where let's say that's where I sell my laptop. Are you getting this? I have a series of laptops there I'm promoting, I'm creating ad for. So whatever you are selling, you are importing a product, you are selling sneakers, you are selling whatever, this is where you package. Instead of you just posting those sneakers on Instagram like that, come and add candle, add color to it, add stuff to it, make it look cool and all those things. So now that's all those features. Okay, let me see. These are, you make sure, depends on the number of feed you have to create. That's scene 1. Let's move to scene 2. Okay, only thing I'm adding here is just this picture. Then I need to go and look for another laptop. Let's see if we can get a laptop here. Just do it. I'm promoting laptop. Don't forget, it depends on what you want to promote. You have your product ready and all those things. Yeah. Okay. I think this is still okay. I can crop it. It's not compulsory that you crop it, just that I want it to be square and be square enough. Yes, be square and be square enough. So I crop it. I had it here. So these are decisions. Now you can decide to do graphics of your product and you bring it here. You can decide to design graphic for your product and bring it. And you might not really need to do any graphic work because couple of stuff depends on you. Your level of creativity, you have to bring it in here once you have access to this software. And couples of other stuff have already been done for you. So we are moving to, what do you call it? This is scene 3. Okay, still about so I still need for another laptop or any graphic works that has to do with laptop, with what you are promoting. If you okay, let me put this. Now it's not necessary that why we are using why I use that is because I can easily get images there. You don't need to go to Google and be stealing people's image. You get legally royalty free images from here, and that's exactly what I'm using. But if you already have the picture of your product on your system, you just bring it in. I'm gonna, yes, you're going to show that and bring that amazing. So you do all this install about amazing laptop, and then you put your brand here. Look at this, your brand that is your website will appear. Anybody that want to see this your video is wasting time because the person is going to be promoting that. Your website might be stuff to your URL. Now let's assume you want to bring your product image from your computer. Let's try it here. Let me click on this. Yes, let's assume you are picking up from your phone or from your system. You click browse. Yes, so you go through your Window Explorer or your devices to go and look for the image that you need. Yeah. Yeah, so you have to go to where you have your stuff on your system. or on your devices. So go and look for image you can use. Let me go and try something here. Okay, let me build this 14 days guarantee. I just want to use that as an example, so it depends on the image you want to add here. I think this will go when I'm adding guarantee. I'm adding guarantee. Yes, 14 days. No, if I guarantee, it's still part of my promotion. I think it's cool there. It's good to give guarantee on your product so that you can take the risk of people. So now, as you work once in a while, you can choose this. Make sure you save in case your internet gets disconnected, so that you don't lose anything. So I want to quickly scroll there. There's something I want to see. Now here, your website might not just, it depends on the enough stuff you can put here. I can put the URL of your product here. Anyone that steal your video is going to be promoting your brand, you know. Yeah. Now that's the scene. We're in scene 5 now. So I'm going to look for these another pictures. So you see, you have, if you have a 5 variation picture of your product, this is where you unleash it. You unleash hell out of it. Yes, unleash hell out of it. This is a pixel base. This pixel non-splash. You have access to it, and you can use millions of their images. Depends on your niche. Just type the name of your product. You see similar image to that based on search. Just dig deep and look for a good one that's going to get you your message. If you are looking for a picture of beautiful women or black men, you get it here. You don't need to be downloading something somewhere. That's why this software is amazing. Yes, it's amazing. It's amazing stuff. You can use. Then we are done with the scene 5. Then you had color. This is color that came with it. If you don't like it, you just come and change it here. If you love this green, we are talking about laptop. Is green good for laptop? You can choose this blue. You can choose this. It's your choice. Once we are done, then let me see if I can get this blue. Okay, this is still better. Then you click next. Always use next button. Now this is where you have music. Add to it. So you can add. So this is the music that comes with it. With the template. You don't have to use it. So you can come and pick anyone from here. Yes, there are thousands and thousands of this one. So anyone you like. Okay, if you like this, just click. You had. Let me see, there are so many of them. You take your time, the one you like, the one you think you're going to connect with your audience or related with your products. Just click plus. Once you click that plus, it has been added. So that's all. Now another thing is this: in case you now want to add your own, you have your own audio that you want to add to your product. Maybe you want to record a voice and you want to be talking about your messages. You can record it with your phone, everything. You just upload from here. Just click here, upload. You go to your system, go and bring the audio. But I'm not doing that now, so you can do that. Add your audio to it so that you don't have to use the template audios that have in the system. Maybe you just want to record. Our laptop is amazing. You have it's 1000 terabyte hard disk space. There's a Suzo processor. You want to talk about it, or there's a beautiful lady with a beautiful voice in your office that's going to do the narration for you. This is where you had it. That's how amazing this software is. So then you click next. Wow, we are done. We are nearly done. So you can click render. You can click finish. Anyone, I love to use finish. You can click render. So your video will now be produced without carrying camera, without doing stuff, and you still get advantage. One good thing about video is this: video has get more engagement, and Facebook pushes more than image. Then you can retarget people that watch your video 25%, 45%, 90%, 100%. You can retarget video. You can retarget image. Yes. So that's one advantage of I think network is low. Ordinarily it's not supposed to take this far. My own network is kind of slow this evening. I don't know why. Yes, I don't know why. Let me save it. Okay, okay, so that nothing will go wrong. On a good day, it will not okay, but I think my own network is kind of slow. Yeah. So once it keep on, the rendering will go on for, and then it will just help you process your video. All those things you have put together, it will help you package it, and it will take you to the project site. Yeah. Now let me check something. Let's go to the, let me save it. That's one advantage of save. In case anything want to go wrong, you can save. Okay. Now let's go to the home. Let's go to the project. Now here's the project. Okay. Now you can see what we are working on is queue. So the system, you don't need to do anything again. You just go and rest. If you want to create another stuff, I'll just go ahead. The system is working on it. Now you can see the one I've done. If it's complete, you see complete here. This one already completed project. So by the time this one is complete, you will see it completed. Then let's see for example of a completed project. Yeah, you must have seen this one. This is where I create it. So if you enroll for the webinar, you surely know, you must have seen this video. This is where I created it, nowhere else. This is where I created it. So I preach what I do. I'm not the type of people that will come and tell people come and buy this when I don't use it. So I preach what I do, and it's been amazing. The conversion has been amazing for the previous one we used. So before I changed and I created this one and replaced the ads and added it to the creatives, so you can test and create one. You see the video here. See, this is amazing. People love this. People will love as far as you can be creative. Now imagine someone stealing your video. Stealing this video. It's gonna be promoting my brand. See my image here. See here. So if you want to download, you just click background download. Yes, you click your downloads. Then the system will automatically download it to you see it's downloading now. My own browser will automatically download to the download page. So it depends on where your own browser download to. So either in download folder or it asks you where you want to download it. So and one thing my browser did, once it's downloaded, we autoplay. So why this is key. So we can always come back later and see what happened to this, and you're going to see this and get it done. So that is all about it. So we are done. If you want to create another video, because you need to test. One secret thing about digital marketing is testing. You don't testing. You will be one that people will love most. So you do multiple videos. I can just come and pick another one here. I just click create, then I follow the same process. This one is 20 seconds longer. So that video is ready. So that's the video I just downloaded now. It's ready. See, this is amazing. You can see this is very amazing. I didn't do anything extra. Just to add the image, add the text. The whole job has been done for me. You can see I just add the pictures there and just type. The whole thing has been done for me. I'm not a graphic guru. You don't need to be a graphic guru. You don't need to get this done. That is how amazing. That's how amazing this software is. It's amazing. So you can use they are here. If you are promoting e-commerce stuff, you can use this, brand it, add your stuff to it, whatever. But if I forget about name written, you can always use it. There are many like that. That's also when you are done, you click log out. You can log out. Then you are done. You're done with it. So you just go and you go to where you downloaded your video to, and then come on, you are done, then you can go and use your video to run your ads. If you want to create another one, we're going to do that. So that is the end of this lecture for how to create a Square Ad video using Square Ad Wizard by Video Nexa. So you need to go and get access to this. Don't worry, I promise you a backdoor access to this software is one of these. I'm going to give you backdoor access.